Yo guys, this video is to unbox Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 with a quick review. Without further ado, let's get started. Opening the box, you can see the smartphone itself. Take it out from the cellophane cover and you'll notice that there's a pre-installed plastic screen protector. Then of course, a charger, USB to micro USB data or charging cable, and earphones. From this mini box, you will get the warranty card, user's guide, and the SIM ejector tool. You can choose the color between midnight black and sapphire blue. So what we have here is a sapphire blue, which for me is way cooler. I like the design with a curved glass and a dewdrop screen. Basically a tiny notch design on top of the screen which resides the 8 megapixels with f2 aperture front camera. Hiding a line at the top bezel are the earpiece, LED flash, and LED for notifications. At the bottom, you can see the Huawei branding, and below, you can find the micro USB port, microphone, and the speaker which has a good quality and loud. On the right side are the volume and power buttons. Then, if you want to expand your storage up to 512 gigabytes, there's a slot for the micro SD card at the left side together with the dual nano SIM cards. At the back resides the 13 megapixels with f1.8 aperture rear camera and the LED flash. It has a plastic body with a clear and glossy look. It is 8mm thick and has a non-removable 3020 mAh battery. Yes, you hear it right. The battery is non-removable. Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 has a 6.09-inch display screen with HD plus 1520 by 720 resolution. Moving on to the platform, it has a PowerVR GE8300 GPU, MediaTek MT6761 chipset, and a quad-core 2 GHz of CPU. It can open an application at fast speed and smoothly. So there shouldn't be any issue running its daily basic applications. It can run Mobile Legends at high settings and PUBG Mobile or PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds at a low to medium settings. Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 has 3GB RAM and internal storage of 32GB with a 25.5GB storage usable. There are pre-installed apps that can be uninstalled, which is good. Now let's go to the cameras. Here are the front camera samples. Wasn't expecting that much considering its price, but image quality is not that bad. It is impressive for the price. Then here are the back camera samples. Photo shooting and saving time only takes less than a second. Features in the camera app are Beauty, HDR, Panorama, and Pro mode. For the videos, it is formatted in 3GP. It can shoot up to 1080p videos, both at the back and front. And the result, well, it's not that good. Here's a video sample. Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, but good to hear it has a facial recognition. I can say that it is an upgraded of Y6 2018, and for only 6,990 pesos, it is a budget friendly for those who want a long battery life, bigger screen, good cameras, fine performance, and above all, with an Android 9 Pie operating system. So guys, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.